Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to make Eid card for the Eid al-Fitr with your picture in the Canva application. Come to the laptop and type the Canva application, Canva, and then click on the Canva icon. And you can see here, this is the main page of the Canva application. Type the Eid al-Fitr card in the search box. You can see here, click on it and then scroll down, and I want to customize this one, Eid card. Click on it and then click on the customize this templates button. You can see here, and click on the upload button. I want to upload this one picture. First of all, I want to delete the templates picture. You can see here, click on it and then click on the delete button. So then click on the your picture, and you can see here, and resize your picture according to the Eid card. You can see here, and move upward, and you can maximize the circle of the Eid card, and you can move from one place to another place, and you can move the above Eid al-Fitr, and you can also move the down text and adjust the ring of the Eid al-Fitr card. Minimize that one. You can see here, and adjust in the middle and move the lower text to low, and adjust your picture according to your ring. And this is the option. You can see here, flip the horizontal. To flip this one, your picture into the horizontal mode, and then adjust your picture according to the ring. And then you can see here above the round corner option also available here. Adjust your picture. For downloading, click on the share button and then click on the download button, and then maximize your size. You can maximize because this is the pro version. And finally, click on the download button. Click on it. The download will start here. You can see, write your project name. My project name is Eid al-Fitr Mubarak. You can see here, I want to save in the download folder, and then click on the save button. The download has been completed. For the checking, go to the download folder, and you can see here, this is my project. I have been done. Click on it. And you can see here, this is my Eid card for the Eid al-Fitr. So in short, in this video, I have explained to you how to make the Eid card for the Eid al-Fitr with your picture in the Canva application. If you have any question about this video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.